In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom fonts in Kajabi websites and landing pages. Whether you're looking to personalize your site or simply want to give it a unique touch, using custom fonts is an excellent way to stand out. Let's walk through the steps together to make your Kajabi site pop with personality and style. Start by heading over to kajabi.com. This is where all the magic happens, so go ahead and navigate to that site. Once there, take a look at the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see the login button prominently displayed. Click on this button to proceed with logging in. You have a couple of convenient options here. You can either use your email or log in using a Google account. Depending on your preference and existing Kajabi setup, choose the option that suits you best. Once you're logged in, the next step involves choosing the custom fonts you want to incorporate. One of the great resources for this is Google Fonts, which offers a vast array of options to suit any style or brand. Take your time scrolling through the selection, and once you've found the perfect font, you'll need to obtain the necessary code from the font library. Usually this comes as a package containing HTML and CSS code. Be sure to copy these codes carefully as you will need them for the integration. Next, we're going to embed the HTML code. You'll want to paste this code directly into the head section of your Kajabi page. This is crucial as it ensures that your site acknowledges the font dependency during page load. Now let's move on to the style aspect. With the CSS code in hand, head over to the style section of your Kajabi page and paste it in. This will set up your site to recognize the custom font syntax appropriately. Once embedded, it's time to apply the font to specific parts of your site. Start by identifying which elements you want to enhance with your new font, perhaps the headings, body text, or any particular section that benefits from a stylistic upgrade. After determining the areas to target, you'll need to use CSS selectors. These tools help you zero in on specific elements so that your font changes are applied accurately. Finally, apply the font family property. This step is essential to ensure that your selected font appears correctly on the targeted elements. Simply assign the name of your custom font to the font family property in your styles. And there you have it. Your Kajabi site now sports a customized look thanks to your newly added fonts. Adding custom fonts can greatly enhance your web presence by aligning your site's appearance with your brand's personality. I hope this tutorial makes this process seamless for you. Thanks for watching and happy customizing.